Now we have this thing at the point where we have the cowl at the right size. We have depth in here to show that the cowl billows. We have some depth here and a clear and sanded down background. We have the wrinkles in the cowl on both sides. We have up and down curves in the beard. We have a lined mustache and beard region for the face. The eyes depth, the nose depth and height. We have the circlet and the brows done. It's all got little bits and pieces that we have to remove. We got the pattern on the axe done, and now we just need to get a little bit of the cowl in here and to start on the background. At that point, when we're done with that, we'll be ready to shadow. Alright,